what's up guys, it's your boy Sai Chaudhary. Today we are playing Roblox. Which game? I forgot the name. Yeah. Car dealership tycoon. So yeah, let's go. Car dealership tycoon for the win. And please follow my Roblox account, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Help me get to 100 subscribers. My only dream is to get just one silver YouTube play button on my name. Please help me get to that silver play button. After 100 we're going 500, after that 1000, like that we're going to go 200,000 and get me to 1000. That's going to be the first biggest achievement I have done. Oops, I loaded the wrong dealership again. Wrong dealership, guys. Let me just go ahead and change it. That Cybertruck is not mine. Yeah, I have $1.2 million. I need to buy a car. No, I don't want the police dealership. I want the Ferrari dealership, which I don't have enough followers to put in it. Great. And I didn't complete the Shelby hunt. Not on this account. I have another account which completed it. My car collection is pretty big, I have to say. See, these are all my cars. And oh my god, these are all my cars, and I'm literally shocked to see my cars. The recent one I have bought is this. The first ever limited edition I bought was this. I bought it when this Benz when it returned. So to drive this? Yeah. Drive my legendary Philion Super Holders. Jesus Christ! I need to load the sound on this. Oh no. That's much better. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's too zoomed out. And that's perfect. Wait. Oh my god. Yeah, should we buy a car today? Let me see what car is best. And I need to get out of this car. Holy crap. I'm never driving that car again in full volume. Usually, I just load the sound completely off cam. Yeah, I want to save up this for this. So today we're gonna buy the Aston Martin Volga. Great. I'm literally forgetting the controls of this as I played Cock vs 2 recently. Oh my god. My phone. My cell phone. So I found a real funny meme, and that's what happens to many people. For me sometimes too. Yeah. The meme is, Mom, a kid says, Mom, I have a back pain because of your cell phone. Mom, why do tigers eat flesh? Because of your telephone. Like that happens to me sometimes. I usually forget things, and my mom blames my telephone, my cell phone, or her cell phone because I don't have my cell phone. I have one or two, but they don't work nicely. One of them is a screen crack, one of them is a touch fail. So yeah. Oh my god, wonderful Rolls Ghost. I need to drive this. I have one of these. And it also is Killian. Holy this is great. Suit. And it also is great. Oh, holy god. This is the best looking car I have ever seen. If it had the Rolls Royce Ghost 2022 headlights, it would be even better. I need to grab it. Hope I don't have, guys. It actually finished before on this account. I have another account, Icebreaker. Please follow that account too and help me get my Roblox award as well. So yeah, and this is beautiful. The Eggmobile I have, and a Lamborghini truck. I forgot the name of. Okay, let's go upstairs. This I think even cars. Yeah, that is Rolls Royce. And I think upstairs I saw a sports car. Why it is called the premium dealership? I don't know. Be called the premium dealership. And holy moly, cacaroni! Just look at this car. Holy crap! So yeah, I'm literally bending down to the my phone's microphone, where I don't know where the microphone is at. I'm literally at the bottom speaker, I think so. I don't know if that works as a microphone. Ow. I don't have a mic, alright? Forget my first salary from YouTube. First thing I would do is buy a gaming chair or a headset which has a microphone. Should I on my mic? I don't know how to bring that sound into the video on my phone, so yeah. No, I'm not driving this anymore. I'm not driving this for sure. Shoot. I'm gonna drive this. Okay, we might change the color of it. Oh, nice. You want black? Black for sure. That's like a limo color. Should I add a spoiler on it all right? Holy shit, that extra though. We're actually making a first ever sports Rolls Royce Ghost 2022 edition. But the rims, no, we're not going to spoil the look of this luxury Rolls Royce. So let's drive my $245,000 Rolls Royce that it literally sounds like a limo. Should I go up the mountain? VIP, yes? Oh my god, yes is my favorite hero. He acted in the KGF 2, the recent movie. That's my favorite one. His recent movie is KGF 2. He literally is showing a hammer. This is VIP. I got these cars when I was in the start, but I can't blame them. I also got those feelings, so please don't make fun of noobs. You also started as a noob to become a pro. The one thing I trust is first you start as a one thing I tell everybody is first you will start up as a zero, then you will become the hero. So don't laugh at some members who are poor. Donate them. Help them get to your level. So yeah, that's what I will tell. We also know those feelings. Even rich people start as heroes. Like Elon Musk, he didn't even have money to repair his car, but now he can buy he owns an entire car company and sends rockets to space. And this is having a trouble. hard time speaking today because I actually done with my exams. Phew, that's a relief. So, how much money am I at? Oh, speaking of money, I got 1,300,000. So, where is Voga? Oh, should I go with the 11? I'm going to buy this 11 in a different video. For now, we're going to buy the Volga. It looks pretty sporty to me. And there you go, it's in my garage. First, we're going to replay it to be nice. To add? Nah. Is sporty blue on this? My opinion, it looks amazing. What about a juicy orange? Oh, I need to pick the red here. What about this green? Yeah, it doesn't look nice. What about black? Nah. The best one is this color. This color looks great on this. Next, we need to everything in black, baby. Black, baby, black, baby. The black and blue combination is going to be amazing. Or should we go with this? It kind of matches our roof, but no. I don't have money for waste tires. Then what I am doing is pointless, right? I don't have money for waste tires. They cost about 25 grand for a small. This is what I feel sometimes. Like these times, I literally want to take my keyboard and smash this monitor. But we're actually a normal middle class family, so we can't afford to repair this. So I posted a link down below. Now that's what am I talking about? So if you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment what was your favorite part, and please now. Oh my god. Like I've been in this stage too. I felt that pain when I started. Oh, okay. First things first, I need to claim my code, new barn. I didn't claim that code still. Please be valid. New barn. New barn? Here goes nothing. Oh my god. Yes, that still works. I'm gonna fully kit this car out and spawn it. Like it looks clean now. The rooms are pretty clean. Now it goes to 100. It's louder than the Lycan. It's louder than the Lycan. It's louder than the Lycan. How much am I recording for? Wait a minute, guys. Okay. See you neighbor. Not now. After the video. I think this is going to be a video which will be 20 minutes long. This is my showroom, by the way. I didn't show my dealerships though. So let me show my dealership. I'm not familiar with Okay, don't care about that. Don't notice that, guys, please. This is a brand new Ferrari Roma in red with a beautiful carbon splitter. So yeah. So look at this. Wait a minute, guys. Akka! So don't worry, guys. My liking hypersport, which makes a lot of noise, I hate. So I turn off the volume and play. I think this is a 488 Pista. I'm really not sure about this Ferrari and that Ferrari there. But this is the famous among all Ferraris. The F40, an iconic Ferrari. It was the best selling car. This is the SC90, a beautiful car. I remember the time when I got it, I felt so happy. Yes. So if you're wondering what my dream car is, it's a Bugatti Chiron per Sport. I missed out on it because I didn't have the account then, so I was in village. But this is a Ferrari 812 Superfast. This is also one of my dream cars. It used to be my dream car, now the Bugatti per Sport. But I got its big brother, the Bugatti EB110. This is I literally don't know what Ferrari model is it. What do you think of my dealership, guys? Rate it 1 to 10 in the comment section below. And I themed it in the best Ferrari colors I can see. The yellow and red and this and just this Ferrari. That literally jump scared me. Okay, gamers, Yasnir, Yasirpio, Toxic, Doraemonas. I think it's Doraemon. Let's just back up. There's a spelling mistake. Oh, there's a drag race. Need to go there fast. Okay, that's a Ferrari though. Can you please move? I'm actually joining it. Joining the race. After this race, we're actually going to end the video with showing my favorite car in my collection. So let's go with that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm actually hoping for a motorcycle in this game soon. Cover your ears, guys. Cover your ears. And this is going to be loud. I want it. This is going to be loud. Oh, a friend request. Yes, please. Oh my god. How? Sometimes I'll record on SI sticker. Sometimes I'll record on pop-up 120, which you should totally follow those accounts in Roblox. I accept every single friend request I get. If I want, I'll open more accounts for your friend requests. Okay, guys? You'll be on my side, right? You will be on team Shashika, right? Oh yes, you will. So in that case, we're actually going to end this video. So please like, please subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot. I'm going. If you want to help me in my dream that I of getting a silver play button, that would be a lot. Yes, I'll say. I said I'll show you my favorite car in my collection. Just to be my racing Bentley Continental GT, which I didn't equip. Now it's a race Bentley. So in that case, we're going to end this video and peace out.